One of the many ways to apply macros, in addition to the tablet, the voice command, the application by clicking here above, there is also the possibility of using the Elgato Stream Deck. The Stream Deck is very well known among people who do live streaming, video editing, etc. These are external accessories where by clicking you can assign a macro, a button, etc. There is the XL version and the normal version. We have prepared a plugin for these two Stream Deck that we find in this path, Program Data, magicautoma, Elgato Stream Deck. Let's double-click, it will be asked to be installed, we install. We open the software and you can see that the plugin is installed. Let's click here and just drag the icon from the plugin and select one of the macros. For example, I make examples, color clip green for example and I write green. Here I have already applied a speed 25 optical. Here I can go and change the icon from a file. Here I can go and add any icon. I go and change it with a different icon from an icon set. Reset to default, speed 25 optical, I can fill this whole page and create other pages with magicautoma macro, simply dragging the icon here, selecting a macro and putting a text. Clearly now let's go and see the operation. I select a clip, I go and press on the Stream Deck green and you see that the macro is applied through the Stream Deck. At this point I can easily minimize magicautoma, I come here, I press yellow and you see. I'll show you the simple macros to make you understand what it does. Let's apply a speed of 25% and you see how the speed of 25% has been applied with the optical flow. All this always by pressing a button on the Stream Deck. So in this tutorial we saw how to apply the macros through the Stream Deck and magicautoma. Clearly without magicautoma the macros are not applied in the background. That's all for the Stream Deck. Thank you.